So about your car loan, are we talking Benz? You looking for the keys? I am looking for the rest of your credit score, because yours is a 386. Is that bad? No. Drinking bleach is bad. Remember in the last Avengers movie when Black Panther was one of the heroes that Thanos made disappear?
Yeah, man. Why T'Challa had to go like that? That was sad.
Exactly, sad. Your credit score is sad.
I can't get no ride.
We actually have an in-house special right now. Finance charge will be about 79%. That would leave your payments at only $289 a month for the next 189 months. Can you do that?
We talking Honda, Toyota?
No, we're talking more of this right here. Here you go. You won't have to worry about gas. There you go.
How am I supposed to get the ladies with this?
I'm not sure, but if you do, we'll throw this in for her. It's on the house. Don't forget to make your first payment, or we will come and repossess your new vehicle.